guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, safe, secure at your place. So आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ ये वाला लुक शेयर करने वाली. This is my Durga Pooja look and this is my red and white bomb saree. So I'll share a picture. I will add a picture over here of my saree, full saree. And yeah, so this makeup has done by only by using only 3 shades, and I did a basic makeup. So this is very easy to do. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Guys, let's start with concealing the eye, and for concealing eye I'll be using this Olivia pan stick 007. Now blend it nicely. Now apply some compact. Take any brown shade. So I'm using this Huda Beauty's palette, and I'll be using this and this transition shade, this brown shade, to apply some transition to my crease line. So this is the crease line, and we have to give some definition to it. A very light brown shade. I'll be creating a very shimmery kind of thing. I mean shimmery brown, something that I'm thinking, but let's see. So just crease it, apply it to your crease line and blend it very nicely. Take any black color and gel kajal, so any darker shade. So I'll be using this gel kajal. This is by Lakme, and I'll be adding here at my outer corner of my eyelid and to my eyelid here, over here. So guys, I'm done with doing this kajal. What I'll be doing now, from my Morphe's palette, I'll be taking this shimmery golden shade, this one, and I'll be adding into my eyeball here in the mid. Let's apply eyeliner, because we are just done with applying this shimmery shade in the eyeball. Let's apply kajal in the lower lash line. For that I'm using the same gel kajal. I'm done applying kajal, so whatever the product is left into my brush, I'll be using it to fill my brows. So I am just filling it a very little bit. If you want, you can use separate brow pencil, brow kit, but I'm just using it in this way only. So I'm done with applying kajal liner, done with browing. So what I'll do is, whatever the color that I've took to define my crease line, the same color I'll be taking and I'll be using just here before my kajal. Now I'll define my brow bone and this eye corner. So for that I'm using my finger only. Guys, I'm done with my eye makeup. So base हमेशा same होता है, that I always say. For that I'll be using my primer, foundation, blush. So let's start doing this. For primer I'm using this Lakme primer. Sorry, Nykaa primer. So let's apply foundation. For that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now lock your base by using any loose powder, nana powder or compact. So I'm using compact by Maybelline, and I'll be locking because it's very hot outside. So make sure to lock your base. whether it's summers or winters. Let's apply blush. For blush, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. Last, let's apply lipstick. For that, I'm using this Huda Beauty's red lipstick. Last, let me apply some highlighter. At last, I'm wearing these earrings, or I might wear jhumka. Let's see. But this will goes with my sari. That's why I'm wearing this. So guys, that's it with my makeup. It was very simple and easy step, easy makeup. I did not use much colors. I just did, I just took 3 colors, and I'm done with my eye makeup. And this is the saree. That's how it looks like. I'll share a picture of it for sure with you all. And by this, I end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then you know what you have to do is like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care, love you all, खुश रहो, प्यार बांटो. इस दुनिया में प्यार की बहुत कमी है और हम सबको प्यार की बहुत ज़रूरत है.